City, Tennessee. I live in Savannah, Georgia. I've always lived in apartments and government housing coming up because my mama had me when she was 15 and 16. I grew up on like golden era hip hop. My dad like Wu-Tang, Ghostface, all that stuff. So Tennessee, my homie moved from Knoxville to Johnson City. Taught me how to do graffiti. That's how I got into like art and drawing, stencils and stuff. Savannah inspired me to like perform and really take my music to a place, cause like I always made beats in high school and I freestyled with my friend. Did that, then I met some homies in Savannah and they're like, yo, you're nice. And I was like, thanks man, I might record something then since you think it's cool. But then like once I got here, started doing other music, that really took my music to where my drawing was. Yeah, cause from, like I said, from the graffiti in Tennessee, went to like fine art portraits with charcoal and stuff, and then from the freestyling and beats, it took me to making foolproof songs. Comfy flavor. That's what inspires me. Comfy flavor, I'm gonna say that right there. And I always like have the Skate Tee XL, and it'll always create like a color band in terms of the fashion. And if I'm not skating, I'm wearing 700s, but if I'm skating, I'm wearing a dunk. It's cause 2006, Kick Push, Lupe Fiasco. Before he knew he had a crew, there wasn't no punk with the Spitfire shirt and an SB dunk. Hey, I just happened to wear a Spitfire shirt and that bar happened. Hell yeah. Kick Push is why I love dunks. And yeah, that's how I do. And then I'll, always snap back with the pony, standard.